Close your eyes, and I want you to now breathe in through your nose. God. Light. Love. Breathe it in deeply and exhale the same energy. So it's going right through you. Beautiful. Keep breathing it in. God, love, light, infinity. Deep breaths. Fill yourself with this consciousness of life itself. Feel how much you love yourself as you breathe it in. And you're loving yourself as the light of creation. The love that you are. Breathe it in deeply through your nose. And allow the exhale. Same energy. So it's coming and going. This love, eternal, immortal love. Breathing it in, charging up your spirit battery, and then sharing it as you exhale. Now open your heart just by relaxing it. There's nothing really to do here. You're just changing your focus as you breathe. Open your heart so gently till you can feel the love expanding into your entire aura, overflowing into the room you're in, overflowing. As you breathe it in, it multiplies in your heart. And it pours out into the room and beyond the room, into the earth, into the sky, and around the world. Deep breaths, full of love, peace, and freedom. Full of joy. You can feel as it comes in how much mana, how much life force the breath has to expand your consciousness, to expand your love, and to share it with all beings on this planet. You are now a generator, clear, of love. Breathing it in, multiplying it, and sharing it with the world. The next few breaths, I want you to breathe in gratitude and breathe out gratitude. Feel how much joy gratitude can generate using deep breaths and your connection with life itself as source. The being that you are as love in this body. The being that you are cannot actually be contained fully in this body because you are consciousness itself. You are divine. You are one with all of humanity and God. There is no separation. As you breathe, feel that. Feel the perfection in every breath of love being itself as you. And be thankful for this wonderful blessing we're sharing here today, in this moment, on this little planet, in an overwhelmingly number sea of galaxies. Our point of consciousness can embrace infinity as love, as space, as freedom. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is the energy that will bring the point of view of heaven on earth every time you activate this frequency. And you breathe in so much infinity, so much light, so much divinity. Expand it in your heart and let it overflow. This creates peace in a world of chaos. This presents an overlay of universal loving consciousness over and under, embracing all the chaos with no agenda other than to be itself as love, joy, and peace. A couple more deep breaths as you root this memory into your body and carry it with you from this day forward. Yes. Heaven. Joy. Peace. All given to us through innocent perception. couple of deep breaths and bring yourself back now.